Did you know that you can write this exclamation mark, hit tab, and you get this boilerplate? Wait a minute. That's a little too fancy. And we'll be exploring this. It's called Emmet in this video. So, for example, now I need to link to my style sheet. So I would regularly rewrite link rel equals style sheet href equals styles.css, whatever. But there's a shorthand. You can write link CSS. Hit tab, and there you get it. If your file is not called style.css, you can just write link and hit tab, and you get that. So that is how you link to a style sheet. Again, link CSS. There we go. We're all linked. And now it's time to make our header. I mean our navigation. So header, I could just write in header, hit tab, and we have a header tag. That's so cool. So I can type in header, and then to give attributes in here, you can just write it exactly as you would in CSS. So primary navigation. So we press tab and we get that. But what if we want to go inside? You can use this and then say like img.navbar logo. And it's just exactly like in CSS, I'm telling you. And then we could say, now that we have that image, I can say add a sibling like that, and our sibling would be our hamburger. So how I set up it is input nav toggle, and then I have a label, that's hamburger, and then I have my nav links. And in my nav links, I have a, and then we can say times 4, and we'll get 4 A's. And in there, we can put a placeholder content by using lorem. And you can type in 1 to say how many words. And now I hit tab, and I know everything is not formatted, but if I come and format everything nicely, like that, we get exactly what we wanted. Our primary navigation, our image, our input, our label, our nav links, and all our links. Let's take this a step further. Let's say that we want to add a section, like our hero section. Then I could say up, go up with that. We'll need to go up 2 times because, well, that's how we need to go. Then I'll have a section, which will actually also be a header, but this one will be area label of hero section. And I'm getting already super complex. And in here I can type in h1, and in there I can type in lorem 5, and as a sibling, and on top I can go and put a p, and in the p I can put lorem, and I can put 2 paragraphs. And now I hit tab, and I get this. And when I'll fix the formatting, it'll be even greater. And actually, I just realized that here I probably need 3 go-uppers, or whatever it is called. There we go. And we get all of this magic. And then you can just press tab, and you'll cycle through all of the different elements. And that is Emmet, how to write your HTML 10 times faster.